to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jasenia. Good to have you. And in today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make a real quick dessert, perfect for these holidays and get-togethers. And it's just a marshmallow dessert with fruits and pecans, coconuts. We are going to be adding in whipped cream to this besides the fruit, which I do have 1 cup of grapes, 1 cup of peaches in a can right at the store, or you can find them in the 4 packs for kiddos for snacks. So you probably find this in the snack area. Also, I do have 1 apple that I've already diced up, and just 1/3 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk. I don't like it as sweet. You're more than welcome to go with 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk if you like it on the sweeter side. I'll be adding in 1 cup of coconut shredded. And then I'll be adding in 1 cup of chopped pecans. In addition to that, I'll be going in with 1 cup of whipped cream. So let's begin. What I'm going to do first is add in the pecans. And I'll be adding in the coconut next. This is a quick and easy dessert to bring to your next gathering. But if you are looking for something different, you can certainly check out any of my other dessert recipes and cakes right within my channel. You'll find cookies, cheesecakes, cakes, and more. So feel free to check that out. All right, next I'm just going to add in the 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to plop that in and give it a mix. All right, I'm just going to give this a mix. It should start looking something like this. All right, so I'm going to add in the 10-ounce mini marshmallows, and all of this was found at my local rice food store. And I'm just going to mix this a little bit all the way around, and I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of the whipped cream, the whipped topping, original. All right, so I'm going to be adding in my fruits, and you can be as creative as you want with this. I even thought about adding in mangoes and pineapples. You can certainly go with your favorite fruits. The possibilities are endless with this delicious dessert. So have fun with it. I'm just going to give this a good mix before plopping in that whipped cream. It smells so good already. And it should start looking something like this. Okay, I'm going to be adding 1 cup. I'm going to give this a good mix now. Final touch, I'm garnishing the top just a little more. And there you have it, guys, your quick and delicious dessert, your mini bombones postre for your next gathering and get together, and I'm sure your family will thank you for it later. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are new here, feel free to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.